So if you weren't already aware by now, Instagram is a visual platform, which means that the quality and appeal of your content is incredibly important. In order to stand out and capture the attention of your audience, you need to create visually stunning content that is high quality, engaging, and aligned with your brand message. So why is visually stunning content so important for Instagram marketing? First of all, it's simply more attractive and attention grabbing. High quality images and videos are more likely to catch someone's eye as they scroll through their feed and are more likely to elicit a positive reaction or engagement with your content. In addition, visually stunning content can help to convey your brand identity and your message more effectively. When you use high quality videos and graphics that are aligned with your brand, you are reinforcing your brand identity and message, helping to build brand recognition and trust with your audience. So, how can you create visually stunning content using Instagram marketing? Here are a few key tips I want you to implement. Use high resolution images and videos. In order to create visually stunning content, you need to make sure you use high quality images, videos, good lighting. You don't need a professional photographer or camera or anything like that. Use your phone and that will work just fine. You just want to make sure that it stands out and looks more professional. You want to also align your visuals with your brand, such as brand colors, fonts, overall aesthetics. This will help build brand recognition and trust with your audience and make it streamlined and seamless within a crowded market. You also want to make sure that it's eye-catching. So use different angles in your videos, different text, creative editing, captions, text as necessary. That is again aligned with your brand message. And you can experience with different formats in stories, reels, and Instagram lives. But ultimately use what works best with your brand and your audience so that way it keeps it fresh and engaging. And don't forget again about captions and hashtags. While these are not necessarily visuals, your captions are going to help your content stand out and give your visuals and your videos context and be able to reach a larger audience. And so by following these tips and focusing on creating these visuals within your content marketing strategy that's aligned with your brand message, you'll create a more effective content marketing campaign that will capture your audience attention and drive more results. Comment below which strategies that I shared you will implement in your next content piece. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the importance of using keywords and hashtags to increase your searchability and allow your audience to more easily find you. I'll see you then.